What is the government doing with the tax money? Why are there so many disabled and crazy people walking in the street? Why can't some of the tax money help clean out this country? Why is it not going towards our development, our roads? Why is it not going towards our investment to develop our country, to protect our nation? These taxes, I don't know where they're going. I don't know if you saw my face when they put it in the paper that I don't pay taxes after taking all these monies from me, but they still come against me. The question is, if the person that leads the taxes, the commissioner, has become Zacchaeus, then what do you think is happening in this country? We definitely need a revamp strategy to change our taxation. I would like the people who are paying for some things like SNIT, for them to do either a foul tax back. You can get your money by the end of the year and invest.
Yawo memo ye wo ministers a omunye adwuma. Yawo memo ye see ye kwa hepek ye kwa IMF no. Ye politicians they are living as king and chiefs. Yawo memo ye parliamentarians look at their salary close to 20,000. Ade bako kwa ye kwasi assembly ex gratia. Tinam say constitution na ye wono e bogus. Constitution has to be changed because sabe chichani actually for so long. Onkofia ni take home how much is it? Obiat parliament for so many times. Each time be an oji ex gratia. Omo wiase na fa minister no say skill no say risk our bemu. Only say for every dollar that we borrow 80 cents goes into people's pocket. 20 cents per na yede ye imputu adwuma. It is sabe o many of women no bisa ho say adwuma be nkwa na wo ubetimi aye na watua tax. Ma kwan nye pension ma the basic necessities water, shelter and clothing ye ni wo o man mu. Untimi nya aduane ndi ene obetimi ye fasting by force. Amu obi be friend 1101. Ebi nkwa ko 100. Enye lotto number so 010. Sana pa no ni o. Eyo ni no ni biem. Enye fasting no yo. Oni secure be aduane. That is how bad the country we are living in. I know be anamical me say. To me na MDC MPP mo pen. Ede na mo de kwakoye. Since 1992. Mu mebu akonta aman. Bosia na ma bro. Ede na mo de size can cry. Na yam for project by project. Na yam how much has gone into the project and how much has gone into the money or the pockets of the MPP NDC. It will show Cheddar agenda and the taxation of person of the bar. It shows say a word for money. It means say if you are giving me, I'm showing you what I'm doing with the money. And yes, sabe ubet your tax. Now we need the year. Now for your woman in so cry ye because of galamsey politicians now no ye galamsey no.
NDC and MPP. All that I kept on saying is that they have done their part.
Okay.
In every home, domestically, fathers rule home. When the father is no more there or the father have reached a certain stage of his life, he need to leave mantle down for his children to take over if he have it. God want to reshuffle the system. The old men are tired.
They are tired. They need to go.
The young men have to take over.
Oh.
That is the system we are right now.
Hello, I Xposed GHFM members, but you unsubscribe, subscribe, no be sunya be share. The Cheddar agenda, the new force, and only a gusono. Na yera Cheddar, I share video, I share ya. Talk about taxation. Yes, taxation. Seka taxation a ye toa sebe. Ye ntime mufuo no ye tuya based on our work that we do. Emma buy no to me the impuntu adwuma. I no need taxation as here. But yen bisa say yen memo ye way taxes na ye geno. What do we do with it? What do we do with it? Ye wo memo ye wo ministers a omunye adwuma. Ye wo memo ye see ye kwa hepek ye kwa IMF no. Ye politicians they are living as king and chiefs. Yes. Yawo member, your parliamentarians look at their salary close to 20,000. Close to 20. Meanwhile, almost they are serving Ghana. What is the meaning of service? Service means say my bob brand and person me so me mine. It's when no person you bet you am 3,000 be. Go for per diem. Go Ghana ni ska. Meanwhile, you am paying for almost a jikalo. Yeah, the members of parliament. You say yes, I be Ghana. New members of Mujina. Adia bako kwa ye kwasi assembly ex gratia. Tinam say constitution na e wono e bogus. And one aspect I Cheddar anchor, but me say obeka because ya na kasa wo ho. Constitution has to be changed because sabe teacher ni actually there for so long. On coffee and ni take home how much is it? Obi at parliament for so many times. Each time be an oji ex gratia. Amu wiase ni afa minister no say skill no say risk our abemu. When him say for every dollar that we borrow 80 cents goes into people's pocket, 20 cents per na year input adwuma. It is sabe amani a woman no bisa ho say adwuma be nkra na wo ubetimi aye na watua tax. Yes, because taxes no ye bemu a eye adwuma wo ye ni ye hwe wo da ye de tax wo adwuma benda ye wontima se wo high electricity bills insure emma your security system enya ye niam beti. How do you work? Even the bank you no kwasa wo gilona you even have access. Interest rate was so high, inflation damn. So this I will say I buy no so about tax no tax buy no about GF me sem and near no dey mama na me tua tax ho man kwan nye means you ma the basic necessities water shelter and clothing ye ni wo man mu untimi nya aduane ndi and then obitimi ya fasting by force. Amu obibi a friend 1101 ebi nkwa ko 100 enye loto no meso 010 sanopa no ni o eyo ni no ni biem enye fasting no yo oni secure be aduane. That is how bad the country we are living in. But ye taxes every year, customs and internal revenue almost so much taxes abroad. So are they not punishing Ghanaians? Are they not punishing us? And they are body partner Ghana for your politicians in Ghana. And they are body niayomo for them to be punishing us because sabe tax now babejino and they now the tax no ekwakoye. And then they be anamical me say 2 million MDC MPP mo pen and they na mo de kwakoye. Since 1992 no mebu akonta aman bosia na ma bro and they na mo de size can cry. Now you for project by project. Now you how much has gone into the project and how much has gone into the money or the pockets of the MPP NDC. New because baby factory be out here and adwuma bi an ubu akonta. Da ben na MPP NDC o maka say ye ba bebu akonta e de akere mo. As usual, about oba. So they are coming to give you promises. Look at Cheddar's vision. Visionary. Who said this is a manner he has seen it all. Oniwo babia, they have the can-do spirit. It is possible. When you sika wie, boss enye hwe, meboa me man. Ye ministers here, one ba krono no mebo Ghana. Ai, your politicians krono no mebo Ghana. Ye wiayen, ewia kete. Because ye OBC classroom 6 block was spending 500,000. About kwa 5 million. See a Jiminti. But you see, if you want to demand tax from somebody, make sure say all the year at the papa. And yes, any payments in air day. And looking at phone to your taxes no. It will show Cheddar's agenda and then the taxation or person of the bar. It shows say a wait for money. It means say if you are giving me, I'm showing you what I'm doing with the money. And yes, sabe, ubetua tax. Now we need the year. Now for your woman in so cry ye nyanom because of galamsey politicians now no mo ye galamsey no. Almost science yo selfishness. And I am. Ade de bia me say answer na NKB for president and ministers ye for come mochre. No ko say ni nipa da ho. Ah sabe. Nipa hu ni a oye. Nipa hu o say nipa hu a ye mfa sika nsie no. Enti politicians na mu wie sika no. Me dey say ma bodua ne deda. Sinya me be kumu nyina one by one. Na ye wie. Ya ni obi ekoka Cheddar ho asem. Ono so ye Ghanaian. Ai se sa agenda no. Ye kwa ye kan ono so aka na asem. Mba se okotie. Na you also kai yan kwamra. Bye bye. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Maybe I will be Medincha Kese ne mama hi Xposed GH. Na just I think this week Cheddar, the new force movement, Freedom Party, or the policies to her, may make us a comprehensive policy. Sebe, a big Ghana every in Kwasumu. Na ye damasenso any sebe subscription any views are more than my Yamin Shamo. Unsubscribing so not subscribing. Na me wo papa bi a ono no oye deep. Send your Cheddar here na sa not here. In fact, me say or a Cheddar brother. And tie na pese me ben no. Na me taking the views on the policies na Cheddar e de aba no. Na head the way for that me bisa na say NPP NDC. Is it time see be you omasi? And I say still we should go with NPP NDC. Pacho kame ho na me ma wuli buadi akwaba. Chairman. Pacho bia wako.
Akwaba.
You are looking good.
Thank you. The same to you.
Okay. Recently Cheddar, new Freedom Party. He outlined his policies for the election.
Okay.
And he gave us 12-point policy.
Okay.
Some of the notable ones is that he was going to rule Ghana with 12 ministers and other things. What is your take?
Okay. I will also greet my audience and my viewers. I send my greetings to you all, a warm greetings for that matter. As you can see, we are dialoguing. We want to dialogue about the welfare of the country. That is why we are here. So I would like each and everyone who is following me should be by your television where you are. This is Xposed so that we can dialogue about the welfare of the country. So we thank God for this today. Yeah. As you can see, I would say there have to be a change now.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. There have to be a change now.
Okay, how?
Because there have to be a change in a way that NDC and MPP, all that I kept on saying is that they have done their part.
Okay.
In every home, domestically, fathers rule home. When the father is no more there or the father have reached certain stage of his life, he need to leave mantle down for his children to take over if he have any. And right now, there are vibrant and well intelligent guys in the system who have been to school, who have known the economy, who have undergone certain kind of training about life issues and how to rule economy. And they are doing that because they are doing that not for themselves, but for the welfare of the country. And I would say that the new force coming in right now have shown that the youth have to take the throne. Because our elders, they are tired, they are old. All that they have brought on board, we have seen them. We have noticed they are doing. We have noticed how far they have ruled this country. They have done their part. We will not say they have not done anything, because ruling a country without war, without any tribal war or anything, you are a perfect ruler. So they have done their part. But now, I will be very glad if they will leave the mantle to Cheddar so that he can continue, so that we will see the performances of the youth as well, how they will be able to lobby and bring better things to our country.
Somebody will say that when President Akufo-Addo was coming to power, he gave a lot of promises. Somebody will say it's not the same promises that this man is giving. Oh,
promises. Everybody give promises in life.
So why do you think Cheddar can do it?
Cheddar can do it because he's a young guy. He's vibrant. He know how to lobby. He's a business guy. He's on ground. If somebody of this nature could be able to rule, I may say, Africa in a way, or rule the territory where he is, and at this time coming to contest for presidency, then you have to know that he believe himself. He know that he can do that. That is why he's in. And the elders too know that he can do it. That is why they have appointed him to become a president, to be on the board to become a president. And God want to reshuffle the system. The old men are tired.
They are tired. They need to go.
The young men have to take over. That is the system we are right now. I have elders in my family who can take over this place. But I'm the young, vibrant guy among them. That is why they have given me this place to rule, to take care of the people here. You understand me? Because they know that they are tired. They have to have their rest. So the same thing applies to our leaders in office now, both the NPP and NDC, they have to relax and let the youth take over.
But John Mahama is saying 24 hours. Yeah, Bawumia is saying digitalization. What is different that Cheddar is bringing that you think say it will solve Ghana's problem?
Cheddar is a young guy. He's a youth. We can be able to control Cheddar. We can be able to tell him what he should do. If he didn't listen to us, then there is no more office for him. You understand me? Because these our elders, they have list, they know our weak points. They know where they can hurt us. They know where they can be able to weak us from. Therefore, when they come to power, when we are trying to also send our contribution on board for them to listen to us so that they can do what we desire, they don't listen to us. They don't mind us. They do what they want. And what they do doesn't favor us, but rather it favors them and their groups and whosoever is around them. But right now, we want a whole country to enjoy the betterment of the land. Therefore, we want somebody that we can be able to talk to him that, hey, do it in this way, do it like that, put things in this way, do it in this way, so that the economy can be well run. But apart from you being controlled by the people, if you cannot allow yourself to be controlled by the people, then you are not a good leader. So I think Cheddar is a young guy.
He says 12 ministers. Can he rule Ghana with 12 ministers?
12 ministers. Well, I would say that it's not only young guy who came to this world to bring 12 people to rule. Even Jesus Christ,
he ruled the whole world.
He ruled the whole world with 12 people.
So it's possible, right?
It's possible. It even cut down costs. So that monies that can be used to pay many ministers or many appointees or whatsoever can be used to enter into developmental projects in the country. You understand me? Yeah. So that when they do so, we will know the kind of work they are doing on ground. But when the ministers are many, some people can feel reluctant and be hitting underground, be tarnishing the rest who are putting effort across. You understand me? But when they are 12, we know that they are 12. We know how to be able to go with them. So I think that 12 is okay.
So as a youth president, that's how I'll call you.
Okay.
What do you think Cheddar should do to help this nation? In your opinion.
In your opinion, I will tell Cheddar he should get closer to God to get wisdom. Wisdom is needed first from God in order to rule a country. If you deny God, then that means you're going to do your own will, and your will cannot favor the people, because God will have his own purpose for the people. So you should get closer to God. Secondly, he should know that the tax he want to take or he want to undergo right now is a great tax. And it involves people, it involves humanity. And it's coming to take care of what? The needs of humanity. How you'll be able to send issues across for people to listen to us and see how they will be able to lobby and bring better things to the people of Ghana. So he should know that he's not coming to office to deal with his own affairs, but he's coming to deal with the affairs of the people in the country. So I will urge him, he should concentrate on the people of the country. It should not be like those our predecessors or our leaders in office now who will tell us the good things, will give us good promises, good policies, put up a whole lot of sugar-coated writings. At the end of it, they cannot fulfill it. They can't fulfill them, and we see all of them for many years that we have been exercising our franchise. We have seen them. So I will urge Cheddar, if he said he's ready for the job, and God himself know that he can do it, even I myself, I can feel it that he can do the job, then he should be ready to listen to the people of the country.
Okay.
He should listen to the people of the country. When you listen to the people of the country, you will be able to know what is their needs and what the needs and what you can be able to do for them that will raise your prestige or your dignity for the position you have chosen to run. But if you ignore the voice of the people, then that means that he is not a good ruler. He can never rule. The people are the voice of God. So when the people are involving with you, you have to listen to them, because at the end of the day, they are on the ground. You are in office. You travel here and there, but you don't know what is on the ground. But the people are on the ground. They know the damages that go across in the environment and the community and whatsoever. So the people of the country need to be concentrated on if you come into power. That is my advice to you.
Yesterday we did a video and the response is massive.
Okay.
The youth, they told me they want to hear your voice. That's why I want to.
Okay.
Tell the young guys something. What should they have hope Or is Ghana lost?
Never should they say they lost hope. The youth of Ghana should never lose hope. Even if the people who have shown their faces right now to do the work cannot even perform, we are here to do the job for them. We are here to make sure that every person in this country is well taken care of and well equipped in any way that God has made us for. We are not just talking, because we also have that capacity in order to contest for presidency, in order to bring better things to this country, because I am a laborer, I'm a businessman. The whole world know me. You understand me? And everything when I'm talking right now, the world is watching me. You understand me? I have better plans and better vision for this country as well. That is why sometimes you can see here when I'm going through certain things, I always want to swallow things because I see better plans ahead. So there is a future for this country. They should never lose hope. They should make sure that all the things that our predecessors or our successors in office are doing, which is not favoring the country, they should also know that when they are growing and they have any vision of contesting for such position, they should make sure that they don't repeat their mistakes. They should make sure that they will learn from their mistake and be able to build up something better that will favor the country. When I went to school, then secondary school, things that I concentrated on, the things that I learned much is nation building. That particular subject equipped me a lot. Why? We have to put our heads together to be able to build a better Ghana. If no one person can never do it. So when we ignore the voice of the people, as I kept on saying, hammering on the voice of the people, when we ignore it, then there is nothing we can do, because the voice of the people is the voice of God. What the people are telling God is what God is going to do. So when the people are complaining, you are hating us, it said when a good ruler rule, the people rejoice. But when the bad ruler rule, the people groan. They complain. So we should never let any leader should not let the people should complain. He should let them enjoy, because that is their right on the land. The land is their right. God made this country for the people of this country to enjoy. So they are not supposed to allow the people to be there haphazardly without being well taken care of, and they should be concentrating on their part, which does not benefit the country. It is not necessary. Leadership have to go with example by taking care of the people. When the people are satisfied and you don't even have nothing, it's better than for you to be satisfied for the people to complain. That is what I can give.
Wow. Thank you very much, Mauli Buadi. As I keep on saying, Xposed, we have an agenda. It's a Cheddar agenda. We think now is the time. You are watching me, you know now is the time. Don't go and say MPP, NDC.
Never.
I'm voting, so I vote for NDC. Ashanti, I will forget it. It's Ghana we are talking about. I came here to do this interview because this man also believes in Ghana.
Believe in Ghana.
Not in party.
No.
So whoever you are, you also have to believe in Ghana. And make sure that on the 7th of December, you vote for Cheddar. One, because this country needs to be liberated.
Exactly.
So Akotiaba, very interesting. But Bona, you say it is possible. Ghanaian, you don't lose hope. Mamu lose hope. Yeah, it is possible. You bet me, yeah. And how do we do it? By kicking our people, by voting not on tribal, by some voting based on conscience. And again, they say, me wadoma Ghana. Now your MPP NDC there. Omni doma biyama Ghana. Meme there, as I declare again, I'm for Cheddar, New Freedom Party. What's so hear me? Where is your stance? I expose you HFM members, but just subscribe. No be sunya be see. Manuesi.